never go back to.
Creating Kling Motion Control videos is not hard. People just make it complicated. So here's the complete beginner guide, everything you need to create motion control videos for free. Watch till the end and you'll be making these yourself. To make a Kling Motion Control video, you only need two things: an image and a video. That's it. Let me show you exactly how to get both. I've selected this video after scrolling on Instagram. Now I need the image. But here's something most people miss. In my reference video, the character here is fully visible and standing, so your image must also show the full body. If it doesn't, motion control won't work correctly. I'll create the perfect reference image using Google Flow, which is completely free. I've uploaded my input image here and entered my prompt. I'll select Nano Banana 2 and choose Portrait Mode. Tap Generate. By the way, I've also uploaded 10 methods to use Google Nano Banana Pro for free. Link in description. When the image is ready, upscale it and download. Now we have everything we need. Let me show you how to run Kling Motion Control, completely free. Open Figma. Tap Get Started for free. Enter your email. The old email method is no longer working, so you'll need to log in using your Gmail account. Alternatively, you can try a temporary email if it works. Some email services are still functioning, and I'll share them on Telegram. Open Weavy AI in a new tab. Click Sign in the top right corner, then choose your preferred login method. Once you've successfully signed in, the homepage will open. You get 150 free monthly credits here, and when you run out, you can create a new account to get fresh credits. Tap Create New File. An empty black canvas appears. Right-click, search for Kling Motion Control, tap it when it appears. Now drag and drop your image and video onto the canvas. When upload is done, connect the video dot to the Kling Motion Control video dot. Then connect your reference image to the Kling node as well. Tap on the Kling Motion Control node, the settings panel opens on the right. Choose version 2.6. Now pick your model, Pro or Standard. Standard uses less credits than Pro. Set character orientation to video. Tap Run Model and wait for a few minutes.